DE error code on LG washing machines usually indicates a problem with the door lock mechanism. Here's what you can try to fix it. Check the door. Ensure the door is properly closed and not blocked by any items. Sometimes, a misaligned or obstructed door can trigger the error. Inspect the door latch. Look for any visible damage or debris around the door latch. Clean it if necessary and ensure it moves freely. Power cycle the machine. Turn off the washing machine, unplug it from the power source, and wait for a few minutes. Then, plug it back in and restart the machine. This can sometimes reset the error code. Check the wiring. Inspect the wiring connections between the door lock assembly and the control board. Make sure they are securely connected and not damaged. Replace the door lock assembly. If the above steps don't resolve the issue, it may be necessary to replace the door lock assembly. Contact LG customer service or a qualified technician for assistance with this.